everybody. My name is Lita. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm coming out here live and literally outside. I decided to change up the scenery and take it outside. Now, of course, as soon as I set up, there's like some background lawnmower going on. But hopefully, there it is, see? Hopefully you guys can hear me well. I have a mic here too, so could you, Lisa, hey Lisa and Cheyenne, can y'all let me know if you hear me okay? Hopefully you do, like it's not gusty and windy and you can't hear the lawnmower too much, or the weed whacker, whatever it is. Hi Daryl. If you guys could just let me know if you can hear me well. If not, then I'll move inside, but hey, yes. So yes, you can hear me well. April, thank you. Yes, sound good? Okay, good. All right, awesome. So I'm coming live today. I kind of dropped the ball on Wednesday, so I'm going to come again live Wednesday to do the Win It Wednesday raffle, which is for the $25 gift voucher. If you guys don't know, hey Chelsea, I am teaming up with a few business owners and we're doing a huge giveaway. So this is by 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗕. If you guys are not following 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗕, please go follow them. I've actually known Jenny, who owns it, I think like 15 years now. So we've been bartering out her hair services and massages for 15 years. Like I know her, I know her family. Heather is my girl. Hey Casey, I miss you Casey. Casey's my best friend. She's on here. Hey, hey Liz. So to sign up, all you have to do is you can go to my post, because we're counting those as well, where I asked, like, I didn't really ask, Jenny came up with the whole thing. What would you want, like, for breakfast, and what would you want for Mother's Day? And then you just comment below, and then we'll get you in the drawing. And I believe she's going to do that tomorrow for Mother's Day. So make sure, hey Ashley, make sure that you are, you got to follow me, obviously, and then 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗕, and then there's a few other businesses in there. Randy, my girl Randy, she's in there. She owns City Sunless. If you guys don't know this, Randy is our new front desk coordinator, and she's amazing. I've known Randy for a very long time too. She's also throwing in a spray tan. You can follow us all on Instagram as well. But anyways, the biggest thing is just reply on one of those posts at that and say, like, what would you want for Mother's Day, or what kind of breakfast would you eat for Mother's Day, something along those lines, and you'll be entered. And the brides, I think it's over $2,000 worth of goodies, so do it. It's worth it. But you do have to follow everybody. There's a photographer on there, and now I'm having a brain fart on the rest of them. But anyways, yes, definitely go do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the names also in another raffle for Win It Wednesday for the $25 gift voucher. So definitely sign up for that. What else did I want to talk about? Oh, voting, y'all. I know I've like screamed it from the top of the mountain now about voting, but we won last year for 2019 Best Hair Salon. We are top 4 right now. Voting ends tomorrow. We're hoping to secure that #1 spot. So if you guys haven't voted, I'm going to put the link in this caption on this post so that you guys can vote. If you already did, you can put in another email address, wink wink, or take your husband's phone and put it in for him. That would be amazing. Every single vote counts, so we would truly appreciate it. Just so you guys know, we're up for Best Hair Salon in Wake County. 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗦𝗕, the massage place I was just talking about, she's up for Best Spa. Randy, the other girl I was talking about, she's up for Best Spray Tan. Okay, so we've got a lot of people in here that would appreciate your votes so much. So if you've already voted for me, then vote for them too. We would love that. What else? And then just off subject, Emily. Emily is the girl that did my video on my cover photo here on Facebook. She's on best videography, social media, something. She's I know like 8 of these people that are in the winning. It looks like somebody's about to go vote. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what else? I wanted to show off this flat iron to you guys. I put out a post on Instagram today, and this is not plugged in, okay? I'm outside, but I did want to show it off because I've always been interested in this product called 𝗧𝗢𝗕, and I finally had an opportunity to try it. I'm blown away, not only with just the way it handles and the way that I can make ribbon curls or flat iron, but my number one thing, it heats up in 30 seconds. I'm not lying. I have never, in 17 years of doing hair, seen a flat iron heat up in 30 seconds and actually hold its, like, you know, its heat. So that's really amazing because so many times I forget in the salon to plug in my flat iron until it comes to the end, and now I'm like, oh great, now I gotta wait for this flat iron to heat up, right? This sucker heats up in 30 seconds. There is a link in my on the website. You can shop products now. So if you go to 𝗧𝗢𝗡𝗏 and then press the button that says shop, there are these flat irons, and then there's also the Virtue hair care, which I absolutely love. The Style Edit, if you're rocking some roots right now, the Style Edit is awesome to cover up the roots. And Olaplex is on there. Olaplex is kind of like a staple. If you have damaged hair, that's the way to go. All right. Hey, Stephanie. Hey, Jen. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. It's so beautiful outside today. It's so beautiful. I wish it wasn't cold, but hopefully we'll get that real May weather soon. And oh, you know what? I know what I need to talk about. So hopefully we are hoping and we are praying that we get to open May 23rd, right? So I know a lot of y'all have rebooked your appointments. Make sure if you haven't, do that. You can do it on the Voucher online booking software, or just go to my website, tonehhairsalon.com, and you can find how to book your appointment online. You can also text me at 919-701-7027, and I will, just shoot me a couple dates that you really want, and then I'll look at the appointments. Lisa, yes. Lisa said Virtue is amazing, especially for curly hair. So when we do come into the salon, that's what the next thing I wanted to talk about. So when we open, there are definitely going to be some guidelines that we're going to have to follow. So it's not going to be like back to normal, right? We wish. So what I'm doing, and I've set everybody's schedule in the salon, is that we're not going to have more than 3 to 4 stylists in at a time. And that's max. So a lot of the times there may be 2 or 3 hairstylists in. So we're keeping, we're doing every other booth. So every other chair will be empty so that you have a lot of room around you. We are going to be required to wear masks unless that changes, but I have a feeling like all my stylists, they're for it. They want to wear the masks. We're going to have you guys wear masks, okay? We can easily color around hair with the mask on. If you guys don't have masks, then we will have some masks with our Tone logo for sale that you can purchase. But wear a mask. We're going to have to take, the appointments will probably feel a little longer because we're going to be sanitizing throughout the appointment more than ever. We're going to be changing gloves a lot. We're going to be, wiping down things, spraying down things. I mean, anything we can possibly do to make it more sanitized in the salon is what we're going to do. We all just took the a certification for COVID-19, the barbicide stuff, so that gives us more education, which is great, on learning about the virus. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to probably have everybody, as soon as you come into the salon, all clients wash their hands first. We are more than likely going to have y'all wait in the car, and we will call you in because we're going to be sanitizing between appointments. I think that, I don't have to tell y'all, but you guys can't have anybody waiting in the waiting area. So no husbands, no children, no extras. We got to keep the salon to a minimum, okay? So absolutely no extra people. It's your appointment only. And we will, again, we'll probably end up giving you a call in your car outside to bring you in. Another thing that we may not be doing is blow dries. So be prepared because from what we've heard, the blow dryer can potentially blow the virus around. I'm still kind of reading up on that, and I'm kind of figuring out what we're going to do there. But hopefully this all doesn't last too long and we'll go back to normal at some point. But I did want you guys to be prepared when you did come into the salon. So the biggest things are: bring your mask, wash your hands as soon as you come in, no extra people in the salon. So no extra people bringing to your salon. It's your appointment and your appointment only. And be prepared that you may not get a blow dry. Okay? All right, y'all. Love y'all. Been fun. I'm actually about to go on TikTok live to answer a lot of hair color questions, because I get a million questions all the time now. So if you guys want to see me on TikTok, I shall be there, and within the next 30 minutes or so. All right. Have a beautiful, blessed day. For all my mamas out there, happy Mother's Day. And enjoy your day. And hopefully you guys win that giveaway. All right.